everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Saayujyam, the Art Zone. Today we will be seeing a very simple yet beautiful embroidery, that is Russian chain stitch. It is a combination of chain stitch and lazy daisy stitch. I have already shown how to make them in my earlier videos. I will post the links at the end of this video and in the description box. I have used a thin velvet cloth here as it was my project's demand. However, I recommend to use cotton cloth especially for beginners. Here I have taken 6 strands of thread secured with a knot. You may make such dots at equal distance, keeping in mind how big or small stitches you require as per your choice. Bring the thread up on the second dot and make a lazy daisy stitch. Now bring the thread again just near where we started and make a lazy daisy stitch on the left side. Same way, make a lazy daisy stitch on the right side. Now bring up the thread on the third dot, that is the next dot, and pass the needle from all the 3 lazy daisy stitches that we did, like this, and bring back down, forming the center stitch. Again, make the lazy daisy stitches on both the sides and continue in the same manner. Now we will make this flower using the lazy daisy stitch. Here again we will continue with the Russian chain stitch. here we completed the Russian chain stitch. We can fill up the gaps with some French knots. I'll make this S in the center by using the chain stitch. We can further beautify it by making a French knot in the center, like this. So here's my completed project using Russian chain stitch. I have also filled up the center of the flowers with French knots. I hope you all liked today's video. Please do let me know your views in the comment section. Also like and share this video if you found it useful. Those who are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. I'll come up with more handwork in the upcoming videos. Until we meet again in the next video, take care and bye-bye.